Hi all, my name is Charlotta Holmquist. I'm co-founder of Manetos Labs, and I will present our disruptive innovation for electricity control and smart metering. It's a digital circuit breaker. And if you look in a home today, it's a lot of appliances and devices that consume electricity. And if you want to control them remotely, you usually use a smart plug. But you would need a lot of smart plugs, and in my opinion, they are not very smart either. It's a very expensive and unuser-friendly solution. So what we did is that we saw, is it a common denominator? Of course, they're already connected to the fuse box. So this is the natural entry point from my opinion. In our project, we started without taking one of those small little pieces apart, and to our astonishment, we saw they are purely mechanical devices. This is an opportunity. And they all only serve one purpose, that is safety, to protect lives if something happened. What we have done is to replace this mechanical device with electronics, a circuit board. We can, by that, increase the functionality to much more than only protection. For example, we can communicate, we can measure the consumption in real time, detect which devices are on and off, we can control them remotely, and we think this is very smart. In addition, we break at least 1,000 times faster, so we also increase the protection. And now you might think, oh, this must be a crowded space. It sounds great. But we've been working with this for now over 1 year, and it seemed to be a complete white space. And you could wonder why, but I think it takes the innovative mindset of a startup to take on this challenge. The challenge technically have been very tough. And what can it be used for? We see 3 different customer segments. We have either partners and/or dialogues with strategic partners in all of them. The utilities, they want to use it for demand-side management. I mean, shifting loads, allowing more renewable energy. We can also implement it in a smart meter. That is really interesting. We can measure in absolutely true real time. We increase the precision and accuracy to fantastic levels, and we can equip it with demand response from day one. Homeowners, I will get back to, but obviously you can connect everything you have in your home, all old devices. We're not talking about a new smart washing machine. But talking about washing machines, they are also already interested. The appliance manufacturers, like all big companies, want to shift from products to services, pre-support when something is about to break down. Our company will offer 3 services to start with, all targeting the end user. It's electrical vehicle charging. You charge your car when it's absolutely the lowest prices. Smart lighting, my favorite, auto-off when I leave my home. And for the smart heating, we already have the software in place. The business model, you pay a startup cost as low as possible for the equipment and the installation, and then a monthly fee for which services you pick. We're also looking at rebates to have it free for start cost if you allow a utility, for example, to do the demand response. So, quick look at the market. It's a huge market. The more electricity we consume, the more breakers out there. It's worth $20 billion in year 2020. We have 10 dominating players. I actually missed Hager and Schneider on this list, but they're also there. My guess is that we will see a few new names on this list in a couple of years, because now we're entering digitalization. We don't want to be a hardware company at all. We just do the hardware in order to have a new infrastructure and focus what we are good at in our company. That's the software, the smart services on top of all this software, this hardware. And if you see, demand response, smart energy services are worth at least 2 to 3 times as much as the hardware. Where are we today? We have the core patents filed for the technology, including all the key components. We have Flextronics, or Flex as they now named, as production partner. We just received the first 10 demo boards from the factory. Very good test results. We know exactly the time plan, the cost budget to take this product out to the market. In 2 to 3 years, we aim to ship 1 million products. That sounds much. It's about 150,000 end consumers, each having 5 to 7 breakers. And we gain this volume by the partners. We already have the utilities. We have Telia Company as partner. So my time is up. We invite both partners and strategic investors to join us. We also thank you, Swedish Energy Agency, for financial and spiritual support. Thank you.